Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to change YouTube channel icon. Every few years, it's wise to look at your YouTube icon and see if it needs updating to better match your channel. Fortunately, it's pretty easy to make the switch, especially when using a desktop computer. There are extra steps, more menus, and a longer process overall. Don't worry, through this guide we'll cover both methods and help you achieve the right size and aesthetic for your image. Open the YouTube app on your mobile device. Go to your YouTube channel's homepage. Click on your channel and click the pencil icon below your channel's summary. Under channel settings, click the camera symbol inside of your profile icon and choose a photo from your camera or gallery. Again, you might have to crop the image to get the right fit. Fortunately, it can be pretty small compared to the rest of your channel art, like YouTube banners and thumbnails. The ideal size for a channel icon is 800 by 800 px, according to YouTube. Also, square or round images work best. That's because YouTube displays every profile image as a tiny circle on mobile devices, desktop computers, and even TVs. So, orient your image well before you set a YouTube channel icon. It helps to center the subject of the image and make it large enough for viewers to see. The best channel icons are simple enough to identify yet bold enough to stand out. Use bright, attention-grabbing colors such as reds, purples, yellows, and oranges. And try to minimize neutral colors like white, black, beige, and gray. You want the image to pop. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.